Hi guys, today I'll show you how to completely remove apps along with their file contents. Most people think that when you delete an app by dragging it to the trash, everything is gone. But that's not true. Even after deleting an app, your Mac still keeps hidden files like cache, preferences, and logs. Over time, these leftover files build up and take up storage without you even noticing. So in this video, I'll show you an easy way to clean all those leftover files properly. There are plenty of ways that you can use to remove leftover files on your Mac. However, there is a free app that lets you do it without much effort, and it's open source and free to use. The tool is called PearCleaner. This tool scans your Mac and finds all files related to an app, even the hidden ones. Now let's see how to use it. First, download and install the app. Open the DMG file and drag it to your applications folder. You can download the app using the direct download link from the description. Then open the app. You may see a permission pop up. Allow full disk access because without that it cannot scan your system properly. Once you open PearCleaner, you will see a list of all apps installed on your Mac. Now select the app you want to remove. The app lists all the applications installed on your Mac in the sidebar. You can also search for specific apps. On the right side, you will see all the files related to that app, not just the main app. This includes cache, preferences, logs, support files. You can review the list. If you want to keep something, you can uncheck it. Otherwise, leave everything selected. Now click the trash button. That's it. The app and all leftover files will be removed completely. You can also use this to clean old files. If you have already deleted apps before, PearCleaner can find orphan files left behind by those apps. You can remove them and free up storage. Quick recap. If you want to clean leftover files on Mac, use a tool like PearCleaner. Select the app, review all related files, delete everything together. This ensures your Mac stays clean and doesn't fill up with hidden junk files. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments how much storage you recovered, because sometimes it's more than you expect.